Welcome guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a grilled cheese. Lady's enjoying her food over there. I'm going to be showing you how to make a grilled cheese. So first, grab your butter and your bread. 2 slices of bread. Grab a knife. You're going to grab a knife. Or you're going to grab a knife. So once you got your knife, now you are going to butter. Hold on. You're going to butter your bread like this. Both slices should be buttered. After you've done that, go ahead and heat up your you're gonna grab your pan and you're gonna heat it up. You're gonna heat it up at about 5 in the middle. You're gonna heat your pan up while you have the slices over here. You're gonna wait for that to heat up because you're about to put your slices on the pan. So go ahead and grab 1 slice and put it on there. Whoa! Alright, you got a slice on there. Now you're gonna grab your American cheese out the fridge. You're gonna grab American cheese. So once you got that, you're gonna open it. Just gonna open it like that. Open it. Once you got your American cheese, you're gonna put it on top of the bread. You do that. And then grab the other slice and then put this slice on top of the cheese facing up. Butter facing up. Also, the first slice is supposed to be facing down. Butter should be facing down on the pan. So once you got that pretty much done, grab a spatula and you're gonna wait for each side to cook. So we're gonna wait a while. Waiting. Check it now. Or let me flip this. Oh! Make heavens. Well, would you look at that? You want it to be golden burn crust. You want it to be like that. And that's how you want it. Perfect. Then you flip it over with now the cooked side facing up. You flip it over with this side facing up. Now the other bread slice will be cooking. So you wait for that. Waiting. This video is sponsored by GOX. GOX. With GOX, you will be able to edit your videos. Use GOX, link in the description. GOX in the description. This video is sponsored by GOX. Flip it over. Would you look at that, guys? It's burnt! Yeah! So now, you can turn this off. And you can grab this. And put it right there. And that's off. You need to grab the plate now. I'm gonna grab it. Now you got that. Just gonna put it on the plate. And it is now. This video is sponsored by GOX. Each side. Link in the description. Perfectly. Now we can just cut it in half so we can eat this thing. To eat. I hope you enjoyed your time here. Now you know how to make a grilled cheese. Yeah! sponsor.